2023 Topps Chrome F1 Hobby. 6 boxes, half the case. There we go. This is the correct product. We just opened another case thinking it was the F1, and alas, it was Series 1. Let's open the right stuff here. The right stuff. Topps Chrome F1 Hobby. The difference is pretty big. Pack by pack is usually pretty slow, unless you're the backer and you just fly through it. Give me 1 second. We're here. Oh. 20 packs a box, but they're easy to open. This is a fun rip. They give you nice volume, nice color, a solid number of autos, some really fun short print stuff. The cards are pretty too. Almost done opening the packs, and then we show the greatness. Good luck, everybody here, and pick your color number 5. I believe we're gonna start offering this stuff by the driver or by the team. We're gonna figure that out. No matter how we decide to offer it, I am not gonna let. I'll write the description. Don't worry. I'll write the description. Oh, that's really cool. I gotta see those cards, Torpedo. That sounds really cool. No wonder we haven't hit one yet. That makes perfect sense. Which one, K-Fed? Where's my brush? Do I know brush? Hey, do we have like any extra brushes? Like brush off the table? I mean, this is sharp. This is useful. We don't have one in here, so thank you. The table is a little filthy, so we haven't had a brush in here. All right, now we are much more clean and beautiful, and we get to rock out. Woo! Oh, I'll write the description. Yep. Thank you, guys. Here we go. Pick your color number 7. Pick your color number 7. The Fuchsia Lava of Juan Manuel Correa. Purple of Sebastian Vettel to $3.99 in the purple. There's Magnuson on the refractor. We have orange and red coming up here. Of Clement Novalek. Green of Sergio Perez, celebration time to 99. Non-auto green Sergio. There's the refractor of the same card. Purple checkered flag of Felipe Drogovic, award winner to $199. I'm not sure I've seen him yet. Pierre Gasly, unnumbered on the checkered flag. Lance Stroll, the $2.99. The black and white mini, Mr. Verstappen on the refractor celebration. Celebration time, come on. Dun, 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 dun. I'm impressed that Derek knew that was cool in the game. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. One second. George Russell on the purple to 199 purple checkered flag. So I was just giving Hama the information so he's prepared for tomorrow because he's going to be on this channel tomorrow with you guys. Ooh, a gold Victor Martins to 50. First in the print. Gold with no auto. Like a horse with no aim. Gold refractor non-auto to MK80.
I'll see you later.
Good night, my friend. Thank you. We have a pink to 75 of Carlos Saints. To 75 is pretty low numbered hit, but they seem to come out. The pink's like a good spot. Gold Wave is also a good spot. When it's Perez. Perez Celebration Gold Wave non-auto to Danny. There you go, Danny on the board, baby. 33 to 50 on the Gold Wave non-auto. We got, I'm not sure, I think it's orange coming up. That may be an actual orange and not a multicolored card. There's Oscar on the base. Here's a gold and purple of Jack Doohan. Duhas. Checkered flag of first stop and refractor of him as well. To 299, it's first stopping on the black and white mini. And then we have an orange here. Let's see. Is it autoed? It's not, but it is Gunther Steiner on the True O. To 25. Gunther, 24 of 25. Orange non-auto to Kenneth Lee. That's 2 boxes. Very interesting that pink is a 75. I wonder who made that decision. Who decided, oh yeah, pink is the perfect color for 75? Like, what happened to yellow? They had yellow for baseball. Where did yellow go? Purple lovers stopping. That's a 399. A purple of Yuki. Purple and green of Yuki. Sergio refractor. Lando Norris, that's a purple. It's a 399. Checkered flag unnumbered of Daruvala, Lando Norris refractor. Aqua Wave of Pierre Gasly to 150. Albin refractor. Hold on. There we go. Oh, orange wave of Gasly. Gasly to 25. Orange wave non-auto. I think all the orange waves go to Darth Shazzy. I don't think we separated the orange. There's no. Is there an orange wave auto spot? Maybe there's no orange wave autos. Verstappen refractor. Are there orange wave refractors? Thank you, Sizzle. We're having fun, man. It's a learning experience, but we're having a lot of fun. Oh, you walked in at the exact perfect moment, Sizzle. Look at this, dude. Torpedo gets the armoire to 50 of Lando. About damn time we hit one of these puppies. Let's take a picture. That's our first one here at the Blez. The armoire, that is really cool. That is actually one of my new favorite cards in this product. Torpedo! Torpedo, boom. The armoire, that's so cool. I love these cards. They have the helmet right next to them. The helmet is badass. That is awesome.
That is a really cool card. This is our first armoire. Apparently, they're only numbered to 50 or less, so they're very difficult to hit. Took us 4 cases to find one of these bad boys. 4 cases. Big congrats to Torpedo. That's a nice looking card right there. Well deserved, my friend. Ooh, Oscar on the unnumbered. The unnumbered checkered flag. Piastri rookie piece. We like Piastri. We like Piastri. Fuchsia Lava of Yuki. Refractor of Zane. Let's continue. Can't stop, won't stop. Zhu Refractor. And then a purple Max Verstappen to 399. Pierre Gasly on the refractor. Gold and purple of Amari Cordial. Verstappen refractor on the other side. Purple checkered flag with a print line of Sergio Perez. And then Mike Craig. Logan Sargent refractor. Purple of the Bearman. We started seeing him earlier today, and now he's disappeared. Hopefully he comes back because I was told he's a good future star. The F2 future star to $3.99. It's a purple Bearman. Brando, I was told that there's 4 average per case, bro, but yeah, of course I'll mod you right now. I was told there's going to be 4 per case, but we're looking at like 6 or 7. I think our first case had 7. The second case had 6, and I'm not going to lie, I forgot to count the third case. But we were at 7 and 6 for the first 2 cases, which was way ahead of the curve to the best of my knowledge. I know we need to hit a massive Oscar before the day's over. We've hit some really good cards, Brando. We hit a red insert up there. The Camber of Lewis Hamilton to 5. We hit Sainz on the red checkered flag to 5. We hit a gold wave auto of Russell. We hit 2 orange celebrations of Verstappen. We hit 2 variations so far. We hit a hidden gem of Schumacher. We hit one of the Art de Grand Prix was Miami, and we just hit our first armoire, which are beautiful cards. We also hit a red auto of Zhu. A true red auto of Zhu. We've hit some really good stuff, man. Refractor of Verstappen on the celebration. I see gold wave. I see gold wave. With ink of Yuki. Nice card. Nice card. Gold wave auto of Yuki. That is an excellent hit. Gold wave auto to K-Fed. Let's go. We take Yuki. K-Fed, that's a good card. Let's go, dude. That is good. Do we have any autos in this case? Is that our first auto in this case? Oh my god, the second half's gonna be loaded. That's our first auto. Oh my god. Checkered flag of Sergio, unnumbered. Ricardo there. On the refractor, Lewis Hamilton, the $2.99 celebration. Black and white mini. Green. A green of Oscar Piastri. To 99 on the McLaren F1 team. Rookie piece. Nice Oscar here on the green. The green non-auto to Ed. Let's go, Ed. It's a nice Oscar. Probably our nicest Oscar so far, actually. Bless you. Yeah, I mean that was our first auto of the whole case. We did. I mean, I hope we're gonna hit another auto. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's red and green. All right. Oh, another Oscar. Look at that. To 250 on the Fuchsia Lava. Ed gets another Oscar. Verstappen refractor celebration, and then Sergio on the Christmas red and green. Here's another auto, as expected / predicted. Brad Benavides. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but Brad Benavides on the refractor auto spot. Our second auto here of this case. Aqua Wave of Mr. Hamilton. That's to 150. No way, K-Fed, really? He's your actual favorite? No way. No way. That makes me super happy. Let's go, K-Fed, bro. That's awesome. Is he really your favorite? That's crazy. I just hit your favorite for you. That makes me super happy. I love hitting PC pieces for people. I mean, we still have the second half to go. Saints at 299. Refractor of Sebastian Vettel. What is this? That's what it is. It's a McLaren Constructor's Crest. These are really nice, man. To 199, the Constructor Crest of the McLaren team. For Torpedo, you're killing it now. 132 to 199. These Constructor Crests are beautiful. They are some of the nicest cards in the product. The Constructor's Crest and those armoires are drop dead gorgeous. Drop dead gorgeous. Max on the purple checkered flag. Max on the refractor. And another checkered flag of Saints. That time with no number. Like a horse with no name. That's actually really funny, K-Fed. You'll have to tell your buddy. You have to show him a picture. All right, let's see. Is that? I have orange-red coming up. But first, a DeVry. Is it DeVry or DeVry? On the unnumbered checkered flag. Charles Leclerc. Celebration checkered, purple checkered flag. Purple checkered. An orange and red of Lando. Not Carlissian, but Norris. That is a gold legend of Senna. Gold non-auto. Super clean copy, by the way. Super clean copy. If there's ever a card to send in for grading. 3 out of 50 on the crispy golden Senna. Very crispy. Extremely crispy. Gold non-auto for MK80. That is a really cool card, MK. When they're super like perfectly centered and in amazing condition like that, I call it crispy. You can just tell sometimes that when it's just extra crispy. That card was extra crispy, MK. Vesti to 399, Future Star on the perp. I got one more handful here. The second half should be super loaded too. Gold Wave. Wow, a Legend Gold Wave. Goodness gracious. Gold Wave non-auto for Danny. Gets another good hit. Second nice hit for Danny. Last in the print, by the way. 50 out of 50 on the Nigel Mansell. Nigel Mansell. My apologies. Nigel Mansell, I would assume, is the name. Refractor of Bottas. There's Arthur Leclerc on the refractor auto. That's our third auto, I believe, of this first half of the case. I would say the average is more like 6 shots. I feel like 4 is too small. Charles on the refractor. And then Daruvala to 299 on the black and white mini. We sleeve those last few hits and we'll do a recap of a very nice 6 boxes here. I'm so happy Blez is offering these new and unique products, right? This is great. This is such a nice experience. It's a lot of fun. Sure. Sure, Torpedo. Remind me in a second if I forget to. Okay, let's do a recap. The unnumbered checkered flags. There's Oscar in there. The unnumbered color mix. The perps and mini diamonds. Couple of Verstappens, a Hamilton, a Behrman in there. The Aqua Lavas and the purple checkered flags. Oscar, Yuki, Max, Charles, Russell. Some nice cards in that mix. And then we had a lot of low-numbered other stuff. This was a pretty damn good 6 boxes. Lewis Hamilton, Aqua Wave. Gasly the same. Oscar to 99 on the green. Sergio the same. Sainz to 75 on the pink. Nigel to 50 on the gold wave non-auto. Senna the same, but true gold non-auto. Victor Martins will join the same. Sergio Perez back to the gold wave. Wow, 4 gold non-autos in this case. That's crazy. Pierre Gasly, orange wave non-auto, and Gunther Steiner on the orange non-auto. We had 5 more hits that I have to show. We had a McLaren Formula One crest. That is so cool. The constructor's crest to 199 of the McLaren Formula One team. We also had our first armoire of the run. 7 out of 50. It was Lando. That'll go to the Torpedo. I'll beat the sword on both of those for you. And then we had 3 autos. Arthur Leclerc, Brad Benavides, and Yuki on the Gold Wave Ink. 28 out of 50 on the number. I'll beat the sword on the Yuki. That was a break that I don't have a post-it written out for yet. 6 boxes, pick your color of Topps Chrome F1 Hobby. It's been super fun so far today. Number 8 will probably be next. Thank you for joining. That was the break.